Another day, another wrap. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Today is Chinese New Year, kaya wala tayong pasok at maaga tayong makakatakbo today. Actually, nakakatamad nga kasi halos maghapon kang walang ginagawa. Ang hirap tumayo dahil nakakatamad and ang hirap lumabas. Pero kailangan maging consistent at motivated. Kaya let's do this. Let's do 10K for today. Let's set it into 2 km each and 2 minutes interval na walking. It's set. We're almost there. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin yung 10K for today. Okay, let's start the 10K. Easy peasy. Let's do this. 2K, done. 4 sets pa. Ayan. Second set, go. 4K and done. 3 sets more. Wala tayong specific na goal ngayon. Hindi tapusin tong 5 set na 2 km. Let's go. Let's go for the 4th set. 1 set lang. 1 set of 2 km na lang. Kanina nagda-doubt pa tayo kung kakayanin natin yung 5 set na 2 km. Pero see, pang last set na tayo. And I think kaya pa. 1 to 2 set, medyo struggle tayo. At eventually, kung magpo-focus ka at focus mo lang yung isip mo sa goal, then ikakalma mo lang yung sarili mo. Huwag mong i-pressure. I think kaya natin. Enjoy lang natin yung journey. Enjoy lang natin yung takbo. Let's do this. Last set, here we go. Sheesh! We're done. Natapos natin yung 5 set na take 2 km. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Now, cool down na lang tayo. Cool down na lang tayo pa uwi. Actually, na-enjoy natin tong run na to. Hindi dahil naka 10K tayo whatsoever. Dahil parang ang gaan lang kasi ang dami nating nakikitang tao sa park na nakakatuwa lang. Nakakamiss lang kasi sa Pinas na tuwing ganitong season din na holiday, marami din ganyan. Sa mga park, sa mga mall, nakakamiss lang kasi tayo mag-isa dito. Pero okay lang yan. Grateful pa rin tayo kasi nagkaroon tayo ng opportunity makapagtrabaho dito. And we're trying our best to be healthier. Hindi lang para sa sarili natin, kundi sa mga pamilya natin nasa Pilipinas. Para pag umuwi tayo, we have so much energy to spend to them. And I think in God's time, magkakasama-sama din kami ulit. And I think that's it for today. Thank you guys. Stay consistent and motivated. God bless everyone. Happy Chinese New Year. I think we deserve a drink.